Hi, how's it going? I'm William, and I am your Moto Grandpa. Thanks for joining me today. In this video, I take the DRZ out to explore the Eldorado National Forest here in Northern California. And I get to go exploring with the bike fully loaded. First time with all my camping gear on it. And I get to do my very first dispersed camping off the back of the DRZ. And though I did find a very well established dispersed camping site, I still think it's going to be one of the best ones I've ever seen. I've done it a lot in my car, in the truck, in the bed with my trailer, but this is the first time I've done it on the back of a bike. And this is the first time I've been to this dispersed camping sites, but I am very familiar with the area. There is a bunch of them out there. And this one's very nice, next to a river. But also in this video, I'm going to crash. I'm going to see some incredible waterfalls, see some just remarkable mountain views, and just have a very good time. And I hope that you get to enjoy the video. I'm also going to talk about my bag, my tank bag, and talk about the luggage that I use, the sleeping system that I use, the tent, the chairs, and all that stuff. All of it coming up in this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see more content like this, smash that little bell button. That way you get notifications anytime I put some more content. Here we go. Getting ready to do a little run on the DRZ, fully loaded today. As you can see, still have the original tank on this beast, and I've gone with this 2-can setup off the pannier racks, 40 or 50 liter bag, eggs, tank bag, and then my 2 side bags here. Bags and all that stuff on there. We are at 52 inches. 52 inches wide. So I got the dirty girl all loaded down right here. Been a minute. Been out goofing around on the Harley. So this will be my first time taking the DRZ out fully loaded with all the camping gear. I got these fuel tanks down here. I don't have a heat shield, so I use this body armor. If anybody else has a better idea what I can use there, man, hit me up in the comments. I'd sure appreciate it. But loaded down, ready to go. All I got to do now is throw on my protective gear. As you can see, not much room in the saddle for me, but don't need a lot. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at this. She's a fucking beauty. Ah, it's so beautiful back here. So freaking beautiful, man. Why do we do this? Well, this is exactly why right here. So freaking beautiful out here. I can't think of a better way to spend today. Absolutely not. Oh, there was a sign back there saying the gate's closed up here, but I'm gonna ride to it. I wouldn't want to miss any of it. Oh. You know what I mean? Why? Let's just get some dirt in right here. It's fun. I'm enjoying it. want to find that dirt road down to the river right there. It looks amazing. I think that's the road over there. I want to run around here over to there. Thinking right in there is going to be a road. Looks like it comes down right here. I guess we're going to go find that bitch. Definitely way above my skill level. Like way above it, but I made it up it. Now just get back out of this thing here. This is still above my skill level here, but oh yeah. Ooh. Woo! Made it out of that so far. Got one more little obstacle part right here. Man, this ain't too bad right here. There it is. Does it get any more beautiful than this? Like, realistically, does it? I mean, so freaking beautiful. Here it is. It is a dispersed campsite in the middle of the Eldorado Forest that actually has a table and a fire pit, rocks out here for parking. So it's a developed dispersed camping area. Now I gotta tell you that this Cedar Summit that air mattress that I got is amazing. It's still got air in it for some reason right now, and it comes with this pump sack to fill it up, so it's easy to do. So that just flaps in there like that, and then you take this sack, you just open it up. Put some air in there, and you just push air down. Air mattress is all got air in it, and I'm gonna tell you what, I ain't gonna lie, this thing is so comfortable. And expensive though, cost me over $200. I really thought it wasn't gonna work very good. I thought it was gonna be like the other air mattresses. And it's a little bit bigger, so a minute, but this one, well, I can just get all comfortable in it and be just fine. So I sleep corner to corner, and let's just get hot. Hopefully I don't get sick, but I think you can boil river water much. Anyway, never would have thought that oatmeal and dehydrated refried beans with some chicken and a little bit of pepper would be so good. But after a long hard day of riding and then setting up camp, it's phenomenal. So got to tell you, I don't think this bag is put together very well. I had that one accident today, and it took the stitching right out of the clip. So now I got to have it bungeed up there. So, and it was the first ride with the bag, first time down, and it broke. So, not really a big fan. Probably could have built it a little bit better. I mean, these dual sports, these small adventure bikes or whatever, it's a given that we're gonna go down. That's what we own them for, you know. So got a little disappointed in the bag. You know, $100, one use out of it, you know. So I don't know. I'll probably keep using the bungee for a little bit so I can get my money's worth out of it. But I'll probably be looking for a different company than this Riggs gear or whatever. I think it's a Tusk bag, but yeah, it let me down today, and I didn't even go down that hard. I kind of just walked out from under the bike, and the front end went down. So kind of just, you know, cheaply made, I think.